Getting rich is a goal many people aspire to achieve. While there is no guaranteed formula for becoming wealthy, there are some strategies you can employ to increase your chances of financial success. Here are some tips. 1. Set clear financial goals. Define what being rich means to you. Having specific goals helps you stay focused and motivated. 2. Develop a strong work ethic. Building wealth often requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Be willing to put in the effort required to achieve your goals. 3. Increase your income. Look for opportunities to earn more money. This could involve asking for a raise, pursuing a higher-paying job, starting a side business, or investing in income-generating assets. 4. Save and invest wisely. Develop good saving habits and consistently set aside a portion of your income. Invest your savings in a diversified portfolio of assets such as stocks, bonds, real estate, or mutual funds. Consider seeking advice from financial professionals. 5. Live below your means. Avoid excessive spending and debt. Practice frugality and make wise purchasing decisions. Differentiate between wants and needs and focus on essential expenses. 6. Continuously educate yourself. Knowledge is a valuable asset. Stay informed about personal finance, investing, and business. Attend seminars, read books, take courses, and learn from successful individuals in your field of interest. 7. Be entrepreneurial. Consider starting your own business or exploring entrepreneurial opportunities. Building a successful business can provide significant wealth-building potential. 8. Network and build relationships. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who can support and inspire you. Networking can lead to new opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship. 9. Take calculated risks. Wealth accumulation often involves taking calculated risks. Educate yourself about the risks involved in different investment opportunities and make informed decisions. 10. Be patient and persistent. Building wealth takes time. Stay focused on your goals, maintain discipline, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Keep learning and adjusting your strategies as needed. Remember, getting rich is not solely about the accumulation of money but also about finding fulfillment and happiness in your life. It's important to maintain a balanced approach and prioritize your overall well-being along the journey. Thanks for watching.